Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Catering Academy. That's been a while. How are you all doing today? In today's video, I want to share with us how to make simple cupcake, simple vanilla cake. And I have with me here some ingredients I want to show to you all. So these are the ingredients I have with me here on my table. The first one is the butter, and this is 250 gram butter, and I have with me 250 ml of sugar, then 2.5 cup of flour, and then 5 whole egg. It's my rising agent, which is baking powder, baking soda, and the vanilla flavor. So without wasting much of your time, I want us to start. So right now, before I do anything, I want to wash my hand. So now I'm done washing my hand. We are about to go into the main business, and that is creaming of my butter, because this we are doing today is a butter-based cake. It's not oil-based, so definitely we are going to use butter. So the first thing to do is to cut my butter, which is 250 gram, put in my mixing bowl, and then pour in my sugar and cream the butter. So let's go. So this butter is ready, is well creamed now. So I'll keep it aside, and I'll sieve the flour. I'll sieve this flour. I'll be dropping the recipe, the ingredients, the measurement, and everything in the description. So do well to check the description. It's very good for you to sieve your flour before you make use of it. You know, some flour are self-rising while some are not. So to play safe, to make your flour self-rising, you have to sieve it. That is the first reason why you have to sieve your flour. Because by the time you sieve the flour, you make the flour very light. And in the process of sieving it, you have also incorporated air into the flour, thereby making it self-rising. And then the next reason why you have to sieve your flour is to remove dirt, because some of the flour maybe they will be dirty, or even maybe the flour started going bad. You don't just buy it from a nearby store. Then after sieving, you will see those dirty when you sieve. So it's good to play safe. So that's why you have to sieve this flour. Whether you believe that the flour is okay or not, just go ahead and sieve the flour. So after sieving the flour, the next thing to do is to add your dry ingredients to the flour, because flour is dry ingredient. So you add your dry ingredients to it. The first dry ingredient I'm adding here is the baking powder, and the next one is the baking soda. The next dry ingredient is the preservative. It's good to add preservative, but if you are very sure that you'll be consuming your cake within 1 to 3 days, there's no need for that. Because if you bake your cake using the right ingredient, using a good egg, and every of your ingredient is healthy, and you are doing your cake in a very healthy environment like this, it will not go bad so easily. But if you know you're making it for a client that you don't know, maybe they are keeping the cake for a week, 2 weeks or more, you have to put your preservative. Oh, but for the benefit of this class, I'm adding preservative to it. So these are my dry ingredients. So after that, you have to mix together. If you feel like putting your nutmeg to this, you put it. And if you're making use of powdered vanilla flavor, this is the right time for you to add it. Just like I said, I'm making vanilla flavor butter based cake, but what I'm using here is the liquid vanilla, dark vanilla essence. So but if you are making use of the powdered one, this is the right time for you to add it. Then you mix it up with your dry ingredient, the flour and everything. Then when you are done doing that, you just keep it aside. The next thing here on the line is for you to crack this egg. So the next on the list is for you to crack your egg. Before I forget, this egg, they are already washed before now. I've washed my egg before now. So for you, whenever you're making use of your egg, make sure you wash your egg. Don't follow me while I crack my egg. So this is the egg. Whisk the egg properly. You know this egg is wet ingredient, and this vanilla is also wet ingredient. It's very okay if you add the vanilla here. It's very okay if you add it here. Whichever way or whichever, any of your choice. So what I'll be adding here is 1 teaspoon or 1 cup of the vanilla essence. If you're working on your working surface and this happens, it's very okay because it can happen in the kitchen. All you have to do is just to wipe it out and continue your work, so as to work on a clean environment. So the first thing to add here is the egg. So because of the dark vanilla essence I add to the egg, that is why this my egg mixture is looking dark like this. So you just turn it. When you are done with that, just pour in the dry ingredients and pour it bit by bit. Yeah, I'm done mixing. This is time for baking. This is called, some call it cupcake paper, some call it paper lining. But by looking at it like you already know what it is. It will be going into this foreign cupcake pan and this locally made cupcake pan. It comes in 12, 6, 24. Oh. So just use the one that suits you. So I think I'll be making 12 cupcake and 1 size 7 pan plain cake. So the first thing to do is to place all your paper lining inside the cupcake pan. So with the help of your spoon, just scoop in your batter. This is cake batter. You scoop in your batter into the baking paper. I can improvise a lot. Look at this. You can see. This is malt can. In case you don't have this, or you're just an upcoming baker, you don't have money to buy everything you need in your kitchen, but you have money to at least drink malt. After drinking your malt, because of today's economy, please don't throw away your malt can. Just make use of it. See, you can get 2 malt cupcake pan from 1 malt can. It will go a long way. So after drinking your malt, use your scissors, cut through in between, and then you'll be getting 2 cupcake pan. Just make sure you shape it very well and neatly as well, but be careful. It's very, very sharp. So after that, you use a clean towel, touch water and clean very well, or your kitchen towel or tissue paper or serviette. Just clean very well or wash it. Then after that, this is still your cupcake paper. Do well to put inside and bake with it. It has a lot of advantages, so because it will bake faster than the one you use the normal pan to bake, because you can see it's very light. So for the upcoming bakers or those mom at home that want to try something new, you can do this. You can try this at home. So I want to beautify my cupcake using this mixed fruits. You can drop one. Kids like it a lot when they see cupcakes come out with this mixed fruits on top. So we'll be baking this one with the fruits, and we'll bake this without the fruits. So before I bake my cake, I have to preheat my oven. Baking time. I will allow my cupcake to bake. I'll be giving it 15 to 20 minutes and it will bake. So let's wait. Wow, my cupcakes are ready. You can see how lovely my cupcake is looking. The cake and the cake pan is still in the oven because you don't expect it to bake the same time with the cupcake because it's heavier than this. So you can see the cupcakes are ready, and how do you see it? Looking lovely, right? So this is just a simple way of making butter-based vanilla cupcake. So let me just take it out from the baking a pan. You see this one in the cupcake, in the malt can. What is the difference? No difference. Comes out well and clean as well. See? Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the notification bell so that you keep getting updates whenever we post a new video. So I wanted to share this video so that many eyes will see it, and also like, comment and share. I'll be coming again with more interesting videos, but until then, it's bye from Apex Catering Academy.